And Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me, and take me